and Insta360 if you're watching this video. ठीक है. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. आज की वीडियो होने वाली थोड़ी सी अलग. We'll be talking about why you should buy Insta360 as your first camera. अगर तुम solo creator हो, नए creator हो, you don't know anything about shooting, how to shoot perfectly, cinematic shots or anything, भाई चुपचाप ये कैमरा ले लो. I'll talk about its features and everything in a bit. Insta360 X5, they have come up with X6 now, but I'll tell you pros and cons. ये वीडियो एंड तक देखना ताकि you will know in the end कि why this should be your first camera. पहली बात, if you're a new content creator and you're very new and very much at the beginning stages of content creation, start with your phone. मैं भी फ़ोन से करता हूँ अभी भी to some degree, but I also wanted something that can take care of our POV shots, adventures, ठीक है, versatile हो. My wife and I are very adventurous, so we like to go on these adventures, and कोई भी कैमरा लेकर जाने से, या तो अगर हम फ़ोन भी लेकर जाते हैं, it's a little scary because if we drop the phone or anything, it's a $2,000 device, जबकि these cameras are $1,000 and made very sturdy. Even if they fall, they'll manage the fall. And I bought the essential bundle. कुछ ऐसा आता है, ठीक है. इसके अंदर अब क्या क्या मिला मुझे. किट में आता है, comes with a battery case, single battery case, and then also comes with this fast charging. You can put both the batteries in. Both the batteries, and it tells you how much they both are charged. Okay. As a solo creator or a new creator, you'll make a lot of mistakes shooting में. You make sure कि सही shoot हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा. In this case, you can always reframe. यही तो beauty है भाई 360 की. You can make sure, अगर तुम ऐसे भी है तुम्हारा कैमरा, it's recording you at any point of time. It's recording you, so it's very mistake friendly. Now coming to one point that I want to make sure you guys know before you invest in Insta360 is कि there is a small learning curve. अब जब तुम 360 फुटेज बनाओगे 8K में, उसको import करोगे अपने मैकबुक में या अपने PC में, ठीक है, there is this heavy workload because files काफ़ी heavy हो जाती हैं 8K की, वो भी 360 स्टिचिंग के साथ. तो जब तुम की फ्रेमिंग करोगे, you'll have to learn key framing first of all, and then your device itself should be compatible enough to support that level of rendering. जब तुम 8K फाइल रेंडर करोगे, काफ़ी लोड लेता कंप्यूटर. तो make sure you guys are very well aware of your specs of the computer and if it's able to handle that heavy of the footage. ठीक है. Now let's talk about some of its modes. I hope you can see this. 360 video. Now it's recording 360 and I'll show you how. It looks like it's recording the computer screen in front of me. Oh, hold on. But ab dekhna. It's also recording me at the same time and every part of my room. That's a very cool feature. And now another good thing about this is long form content and short form content दोनों की एस्पेक्ट रेशो अलग है. जैसे तुम्हें सबको पता है आजकल रील्स भी चाहिए, लॉन्ग फॉर्म भी चाहिए. अगर तुम 360 में रिकॉर्ड कर रही हो, यू कैन ईजिली फॉर्मेट रीपर्पस योर कंटेंट इनटू रील्स, लॉन्ग फॉर्म, व्हाट नॉट. एंड एट द सेम टाइम अगर मैं सिंगल लेंस में जाऊँ, जस्ट लाइक आई एम राइट नाउ, you can easily switch into free frame video, and now you're recording into 1:1 ratio, I believe, or to make sense of it, it is recording in horizontal and vertical format, making your life much easier. मैंने ये साथ में आया था, अभी तक यूज़ नहीं किया. I've been using this device for almost one month roughly. Yeah, it makes your workflow easier. There is a learning curve, no doubt about that. There is a challenge with exporting importing 8K footage, ठीक है. And now if you are a daily vlogger like me, अगर तुम्हें वर्क फ्लो अपना तेज चाहिए, एक बार तुम लर्निंग कर्व जब once you are across the learning curve, उसके बाद it gets very easy. You are shooting 360 vlogs, ठीक है, and then easily you can reframe it to yourself or the view, whatever you want to show to the audience. And my final verdict after using it for 1 month of constant vlogging, ठीक है, adventurous sports, we did this cliff edging at Golden Sky Bridge. I can easily say अगर तुम्हारे पास $1,000 स्पेयर करने को हैं, go get Insta360. Doesn't have to be X5 or X6. Get what gets you by. You don't have to buy the best version. Now X6 is out. You don't have to buy X6 or X5. There are X3s, X Air, I believe, and they get the job done. You see, एक साइड से लग गया लेंस, एक साइड पे नहीं है, but I didn't feel like using it. Makes it more bulgy than anything. Other than that, one final tip, एक और tip. If you are buying these cameras, make sure to invest into a good SD card that supports 8K recording, 60 frames, 50 frames, whatever the. Because अगर तुम ये गलती करते हो, let me show this to you. अब मैंने Lexar के लिए हैं, what is it, A2 और Silver Plus. Ask a specialist or go watch a YouTube video that tells you which memory card does what. मेरे को भी यही लगता था, they are all the same, but ऐसा नहीं है. So this is U3 A2 V30. Again, it doesn't make sense to me fully how they are different, but there is a distinction की how they work. I have two of these, एक 512 GB और एक 256 GB. Sometimes if I am editing on one of the cards, she uses the other SD card to go shoot. And workflow simple है. You take the SD card out. In my case, how I use it, I'm not on the go person कि जैसे record किया वैसे डालना है. I make sure कि I come home, edit it out. So in the end, I would like to say कि this piece of gear is the most versatile piece of gear you'll ever get in your content journey, which can be used for even drone shots in a way, for POVs, for adventures, for vlogging, for 360 views. ठीक है, buy one of these if you have $1,000 to spare and see कि कैसे तुम्हारी कंटेंट की क्वालिटी goes up. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो लाइक कर देना and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.